Hey guys, it's me. I'm out here at one of my rental properties getting ready to do some little concrete slab right here. They used to get away with using these cinder blocks as a support underneath an oil tank, and nowadays it is not. So since I just purchased the property, I got to go ahead and build a little concrete slab. So this is what we got. I got the form poured right now. Got a little bit of water, got some Quikrete over there. We're gonna get started and see how this all goes.